Hey, what's up guys? This is RB on two wheels. So today I'm going to be working on my motorcycle, which is Kawasaki Z650 2019. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing a new air filter from Kawasaki. So I haven't changed this air filter since I got the bike in 2020. So it's a 2019. So that is what we're going to be doing. Now that the tanker is off, now it's time to get to the air filter. So in order to get to the air filter, we need to take this box off, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew all these screws around the air box, and also we're gonna take off these two bolts here which holds the wiring housing, okay? So now let's get to it. All right, don't forget to disconnect your airflow sensor. Okay, push and pull. All right, so now this is it. So now we have access to the air filter. This is the air filter right here. So what you do is, it has a screw in here, only one screw. That's the one you need to unscrew to discharge it. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you get this bad girl out. As you can see, it's dirty, very dirty. So it's about time. All right, let us install this bad girl. Alright guys, now we have installed our new air filter, so the rest is gonna be a time lapse. So I'm gonna be doing a time lapse, putting back everything on. But yeah, that's how you install the air filter.